We just took a family vacation to the most magical resort in Hawaii. Here's everything you need to know. There were 8 of us in total, and we stayed at the Hilton Hawaiian Village in Oahu, Waikiki. The property was covered in gardens, cultural activities, and local wildlife. There were plenty of shops and places to eat. We'd heard that check-in could be up to 2 hours, so we booked a room in the Ali'i Tower, which offers a private concierge check-in, and we were able to go right into our room. For 8 people, we booked a 2-queen room, a connecting parlor, and a king room with 2 roll-away beds. The rooms were really nice. They had extra amenities like a coffee maker and unlimited bottled water. The bathrooms had large soaking tubs and good bath products, and each bedroom as well as the parlor had massive balconies overlooking the ocean. The Ali'i Tower comes with additional amenities like a dedicated gym and a pool reserved just for guests of this tower. You can see it pictured here beneath the balcony. There was also an adults-only pool that we did not visit, but we did get to check out the Tapa pool, which was nice and open late, and the Super Pool, which is the largest in Waikiki. There's a massive lagoon that you can play in. We rented one of these giant bikes, and it was $71 for an hour, and it was really hard to drive. This resort is Disneyland level busy, so it's like a competitive sport to find a chair next to the pool. But the family pool did have multiple water slides, and the kids loved it. Rooms here start around $200 a night. For all 3 rooms for 5 nights, we paid $5,500 or just under $700 per person. The sunsets and the nights were equally magical. We loved it here. I'll put details in the comments. Now let's get back to Vegas.